In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Gzip or server-level caching on Bluehost. This is a handy technique that can significantly improve the performance of your website by speeding up page loading times. Now let's dive in. First things first, you need to log into your Bluehost account manager. If you haven't already, head over to the Bluehost website and enter your login credentials on the home page. Remember, keeping your password safe is crucial, so ensure it's stored securely. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard, a hub of options to manage your hosting services. Next, let's navigate to the Websites tab. You'll find this on the menu at the left-hand side of your screen. Once there, locate your website from the list displayed and click on the Settings option next to it. This will take you to a new page where you can configure various settings for your particular site. The next step is switching to the Speed or Performance tab. This section is dedicated to optimizing how efficiently your website loads and handles data. By enhancing these settings, you ensure a better user experience, which is critical in today's fast-paced digital environment. Once you're on the Speed or Performance tab, take a moment to glance over the available options. You'll find a feature called Caching Control. This is your primary tool for enabling caching on your site. By turning caching on, you instruct the server to store copies of your web pages. This means when a user returns to your site, the server can quickly retrieve these cached pages rather than generating them anew each time. To toggle caching, simply click the switch next to Caching Control. If it's currently off, clicking will turn it on. Ideally, you want caching to be enabled for the best performance. Additionally, you'll also see an option labeled Clear Cache. This is particularly useful if you've made updates to your website that aren't appearing immediately, as this option allows you to purge the existing cached versions of your pages. Clicking Clear Cache ensures that any visitor to your site sees the most up-to-date version. It's a helpful tool for troubleshooting when something on your site doesn't look quite right after changes. And that's all there is to it. By enabling Gzip, or server-level caching on Bluehost, you're taking a significant step towards optimizing your website's performance. Increased speed not only enhances user experience, but also has potential benefits for your site's search engine ranking. Thanks for following along today, and I hope this tutorial has been clear and useful. Be sure to check back for more tips and tricks to keep your site running smoothly.